Creations Crafting on a Budget. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made the topiaries that are on my coffee table. So many of you have seen videos of my home tour and whatnot, and you have all asked me how I made them and if I had a video on them. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these topiaries, and let me just tell you, I made them using 100% Dollar Tree items. So let's get to it and let me show you what all you need for these topiaries.
For these topiaries, I picked up 2 of these spring potted floral bouquets, some bamboo skewers, 4 styrofoam balls, 2 in the measurements of 2.5 inches and 2 at 3 inches, some Spanish moss, some lace ribbon, and this jute cord, otherwise known as twine, in the color of cream. And I'll also be using some washi tape that I had in my stash that I picked up from Michael's. I'm going to start this off by wrapping both of my skewers with this decorative washi tape that I picked up from Michael's. Dollar Tree carries washi tape too, and they've got some really cute ones that you can use. If you want to paint your skewers, you can paint them. I just thought that it would be a fun addition to the skewers and these topiaries. Because I've got so much washi tape, why not use it instead of paint? Let's switch it up a little and be a little different. Now, using the Spanish moss that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to cover the 3-inch ball and my 2.5-inch ball with this Irish moss. And I'm going to do it just by using hot glue and hot gluing it all around each ball until I'm satisfied with the coverage. Now, taking my skewer that I wrapped with washi tape, I'm going to pierce the 3-inch ball, and I'm going to push the 3-inch ball about halfway down the skewer so it's in the middle of the skewer. Then with the 2.5-inch ball, I'm going to pierce it at the top of the skewer just enough to hold it in there good. Then I'm going to trim up some of this Spanish moss, getting rid of some of those flyaways. Right around this time, the springtime, just about every year that I've seen, Dollar Tree seems to carry these cute springtime potted flowers with the burlap on the outside. So I thought to make this project a bit easier, I would just pick up one of these. If your Dollar Tree doesn't carry these, you can very easily just use a styrofoam ball, cut it in half, and cover it with burlap. But because they had it, I'm using this, so I'm just going to remove the existing flowers that it has in it already. And with a bit of hot glue, I'm going to place them on the styrofoam and place my skewer into the foam just to help secure it and keep it in there a bit better. And because I'm going with that country farmhouse look with the burlap, I thought I would use this lace ribbon that the Dollar Tree carries to wrap it around the base of the pot where the burlap is. And this would not be a farmhouse DIY of mine without a twine bow. I am using Dollar Tree's jute cord that comes in these spools. They come in several different colors, and today I am using the cream colored jute cord. And I am simply going to just hot glue these onto the styrofoam balls that I covered in Spanish moss. And there you have it. This is how I made the topiaries that you have seen in a couple of my videos that are sitting on my coffee table. These are so stinking easy to make, and they add just that slightest touch of that rustic farmhouse feel to whatever room they're in.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today on my topiaries that were on my coffee table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter, and Google+. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture of it and send it to me on Facebook or Instagram because I'd love to see all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.